Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing a Beauty Bakerie mystery box. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this mystery box, stay tuned. So approximately a week or so ago, Beauty Bakerie released some mystery bundles for $50, and the boxes are supposed to have over $100 value and have at least 6 full-size products inside. So I decided to go ahead and pick one up. I have not tried anything as of yet from Beauty Bakerie, although I have ordered their brownie bar and the other little face palette that they recently came out with, and I will be reviewing those on my channel coming up here in the near future. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this box and see what came inside. The box looks like so. It's just a plain white box with Beauty Bakerie there on the front. When you open it up, it says, "So much cake, so little time." Very cute, and it's very neatly packaged there. Oh, how cute. They put the products inside of this makeup bag. Look at that. It says, "I'm not a baker" on the front. This bag is super cute. Look at that. And on it, it says, the strip says, "I'm not a baker," and it says, "I just cake a lot" on both sides of the bag. And the hardware on this is gold. Okay. The products are wrapped up inside of the bag here. There's one little straggler there. So the first item inside of this box is a sugar lip scrub. And that's what that looks like. And it says cruelty-free on it. That's what that looks like outside of the package. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. And it smells like peppermint. Can't really see too much there, just white. Let's go ahead and see how it feels. Okay, it has a really nice grit to it. You can definitely get a good exfoliation with this. This feels really good. And I love lip scrubs. I use them at least twice a week, so I am looking forward to giving this a try. There is no card that I see with the prices on it, so what I'll do at the end is I'll look up the prices on the website and I'll give you guys a total for the box. The next thing I'm pulling out of the package is the flour setting powder. This is really cute. It looks like a bag of flour. And it just says, "Our flour can be applied 2 ways. Using a brush, you can lightly dust your entire face for a full matte look, or with gentle pressure, use a makeup sponge to apply the flour to your T-zone to absorb excess oil." I am definitely an oily girl, so I am looking forward to giving this a try and see if it'll keep my face matte. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. This bag to me is just the cutest. Look at that. Super cute. Super, super cute. Okay, this is really nice. Has like a gold lid there. And as you can see, the setting powder there inside. And it does have a sifter there, so that's nice, so the powder won't get all over the place. Now this is a translucent powder, so I'm not going to open this because I already have a translucent powder open as of right now. So I'm not going to open it, but I am looking forward to giving it a try. The next thing we have here is a liquid matte lipstick, and it says smudge free. It's in the color Cherry Flambe. There you go. Go ahead and take this out. This packaging is really cute. It actually slides out like that. Very cute. I love their packaging. I think the designs on their packaging is super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this color. Beautiful, beautiful. I love reds and pinks and all of that. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Swatch that for you. Look at that red. That is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to give this a try. Love it. So the next thing I'm pulling out is a lip gloss, and it says long lasting gloss, and this is in the color Jelliana. That's what the gloss looks like. It's in green packaging as opposed to the lipstick in the pink. And it slides out the same way as the lipstick. This color looks really pretty through the packaging as well. Let's see. I know it's a gloss, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to swatch it for you guys and see if we get anything. Okay, so it's like a soft pink. I don't know how much of that you can see, but it feels good going on. It's not like sticky or anything like that. It feels really nice. Okay, so we're down to this last item, which is Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Okay, and that's what that looks like. And here's what the palette looks like opened up. And those colors are really pretty. You can get a really nice eye look with those. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 satins, and then the rest are matte colors. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some swatches of these. Okay, so here are all the colors in the palette swatched. I did have to go down my arm a little bit to get them all, and I think they swatch really nicely, and the colors are pretty. They're not like super vibrant, and some of them kind of remind me a little bit more of fall, but they're really nice colors, and like I said, they swatch really well. I'll actually probably try this palette out when I review the face palette that I have, the Brownie Bar. I may use the eyeshadow along with that. Okay, so real quick, these colors are Yawning, Forehead Kiss, Pajamas, French Doors, Boo in a View, Messy Hair, Fresh Face, Cuddle Cakes, and Lazy Baby. So just to recap real quick what we got in this Beauty Bakerie mystery bag, we got the lip scrub, which is valued at $12. We got the setting powder, which is $24. We got the eyeshadow palette here, which is $38. We got the matte lipstick, which is $20. And then we got the lip gloss, which was $18. And then we got this bag, which I didn't see a value on, so I'm just assuming this is a freebie. But anyway, the total value of this box is $112. So we definitely got more than twice the value as promised. So what did you think of this mystery bag? Was it worth the $50 to you? Let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, guys, that is everything that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.